Clean out this dirty air filter. This is a paper filter. Quite a bit of junk down into that groove. I'm going to use compressed air. I'm going to put on a dust mask and some goggles. And I'm not going to go real crazy because I don't want to tear this filter. Just blow out all that dirt. And I'm blowing from this side to this side so that that dirt can fly out of there. When this is on the mower, air goes in this side and then the engine on this side. You can see how clean those are. But I want to get all this, the loose stuff, out of this side of the filter. That looks pretty good. And then I'm going to blow from this side out. And it's surprising how dirty an air filter can be, and it still works. It's not as efficient, but you know, and these, I don't know how much these are. They're probably 10, 15 bucks for a new filter, but clean this out. And I've had this one for years. But easy. Be sure and check out my other videos.